I bought this piece at a local estate sale for just $1. The top is in pretty good condition. I really like these poles. I'm going to keep them, but spray paint them over. These gotta go. There are 4 pretty deep drawers in total. And on the back, you can see the construction. It's wood, the laminate top. And here's a final look before we get started. I chose to use Spray 9 as my degreaser and cleaner for this particular piece. And then we scuff sanded, which I didn't get much footage of, but these are results of the scuff sanding. But I did choose to overkill this piece just a bit with using liquid sandpaper to ensure adhesion. The directions just say to shake it up really well, which I'll do right here. I do have on safety goggles and gloves when applying this. I'm using a shellac-based primer here, which I painted on. I'm using an acrylic paint, so I thought that this was the best choice. It's super thin in consistency. I did try it with a brush for certain areas, and it just was too thin, and it dries pretty quickly, so it just wasn't a nice application. So once I switched over to the roller, it was good from there. And here's a final look after it's been completely primed. And here's the acrylic based paint from Behr that I chose. It's sort of a vintage green in my opinion, which seemed to suit the piece. And here is, as I start the painting process, doing this by hand. I have a sprayer, but I am waiting on my spray booth to come in, so I'm just choosing to paint this by hand. I'm using a zebra brush, which I really enjoy using as a really nice application. This paint can be a little bit thick, so you may elect to thin it out with a little bit of water.
Maybe a little pellet stove too, because they don't need the. You can just vent right out the sidewall. Imagine that. You just come in, you turn that sucker on. Get this place roasty.
That's better.
I could literally work in here all winter long.
For the sides, I did elect to switch over to a microfiber roller. And here is a final look at the drawers. I chose to use a polyacrylic top coat for this piece. In total, I think I did 3 coats, as that was the recommendation on the back of the can. And here I'm just trying to search for the right color for the hardware to spray paint. I did keep the pulls on the top, but the bottom drawers I did elect to replace with something a little bit nicer, more modern, I guess. And this is the color that I chose to go with. It's Pure Gold by Rust-Oleum. This is just a picture of the hardware that I chose, but in order to make all the hardware match, I did scuff this up and spray painted it. And here I am installing my hardware. Hope you enjoyed this video. Here's the final result.